Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video, I am going to share the cards that I made using Seize the Day card making workshop kit from Close to My Heart. I am a consultant and I will have my link listed below. With each kit, you will have enough paper material and some extra embellishments in your kit to create 16 cards. There'll be some items that are required from your stash to use, or you'll need to purchase them. And for this month, the only extra items would be the ink pad. So you need Mink, Sapphire, and Smoothie. And then the other items is just foam tape, glue dots, and your acrylic blocks. So product wise, the only extra items you need to create these cards product wise are the ink pads. In the kit, you will also get this exclusive stamp and thin cut set, which I have right here. I am so in love with these little sea creatures. They're so cute, the crab and the whale. And then of course we have the shell and the anchor and some words. This is what the stamp will look like. And you know what? This is pretty true to size, see? When you get the instructions. So that's the true size. Then these are the thin cuts. Each kit you will receive instructions. You can follow them to the T, or you can alter it. You can alter it a little bit, or you can alter it completely. Just let your creativity work for you. Here are the cutting instructions. They'll have the paper. This is the front side and the back side. And then same thing for your cardstock. So in this kit you'd have 2 pattern papers to cut, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cardstock. 2 are the Daisy White cardstock, Smoothie, Mint, and Sapphire. This is your instructions for the first card. So you have the visual of assembling, then the visual of the final product. And then they talk about the stamping and which items to use for each card. So for card number 1, I'm going to move my ink pads out. Let's not try to get a glare. And I'm going to show you. And on a couple of them, I put my own little touch. So we have this one, which is pretty matchy-matchy. The only thing that's probably off is the exact centering of the banners. And then I have my crab here, and then I stamped on here what the crab, and then my little bow. This one, same thing. I moved it over just a little bit. I have my bow, and then I added the enamel dots that goes with this collection. It's not an item listed to get in with this kit, but if you want to add your own little twist, then you might want to pick up these enamel dots. This one here, I added some of the shimmer trim from Close to My Heart in black right there. And this one I didn't alter at all, but my stamping wasn't really clear. But you know what? A crab is shaded as well, so that's a-okay. So that's card number 1. Card number 2. Now this one I altered. All my cards are going to look a little different than from this picture right here. Hopefully you're, I don't know if you're getting a glare or not. So here's one card. So you can see I did keep the ribbon here, but I added the well and a shell, and I added 2 enamel dots and the silver gem from Close to My Heart. I used the stamping that was required that says long time no see, or suggested, not required. It's only suggested. Here's card number 2. Totally different. Instead of the anchor, I used the crab. And I used a different stamp. It says shall ya, and then I tied a ribbon around my whole layering. This one we have the anchor, we have the ribbon, and then I added the gems, long time no see, and then I added some Heidi Swap right here in navy splatters. And then this one is just the well with a little strip here and the anchor. Number 3, I love this, but I still put my own touch. So you can see my bow, that's right there. This is my bow, and no, I'm not the best bow tire. Here, and I kind of have my well going up rather than down. I have my seine here, but I pretty much followed it. For card number 3, here's a twist, some sequins, and this is from Close to My Heart, the silver pack, and the silver comes with some white and clear, and I've got the bow, and this time I have no seine stamped. This one, we got the bow, the seine, and then I added just one enamel dot right there. And my stamping is a lot, it's more solid, the stamping right here. And number 4, pretty much followed it exactly. Now, card number 4, I only created 2 of these, and each of them are going to be a little bit different, somewhat followed. So this one we have the banner. I chose not to put a bow. I chose to stamp my seine right here and add an enamel dot, and if you notice here there's like a little break, and I have no break in the stamp. And this one I did way different. So I use Close to My Heart julep sequence and Let the Good Times Roll comes from another stamp set from Close to My Heart. Let's see if you can make that out. And this one is called Let the Good Times Roll. All right. I hope that gave you some ideas. If you're interested in purchasing the card making kit, like I said, I'll have my link listed below. All right, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all. Get out your supplies, create some layouts, create some cards, spread some joy and some love. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Give a thumbs up, that brings traffic to my channel, and share my channel. Until next time, have a fabulous day. Bye.